Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'm going to take a pan and add half a tablespoon of oil. And to this oil, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. After adding these two ingredients, I'm then going to fry this until the cumin seeds start to crackle. Once the cumin seeds start to crackle, here I'm going to add 1 chopped onion. And after adding the onion, I'm now going to fry this for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here you can add 3/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and lastly half a teaspoon of coriander powder. After adding the spices, you can now mix this well and let this cook for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, here you can add half a cup of water and after adding the water, you can now mix all of this really well and let this cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here I'm going to add 250 grams of chopped chicken sausages, and after adding all of the chicken sausages, you can now mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients. After mixing it well, here you can add 2 tablespoons of honey, and after adding the honey, you can now mix all of this really well and let this cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, here you can add the salt as per taste and continue to fry this for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, here you can finally add some coriander leaves to garnish the dish.